In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off digest emails from Notion. Digest emails can be quite useful, offering a convenient summary of your workspace notifications. However, they can also be a bit overwhelming if your inbox is already full. So if you're looking to reduce the clutter and take control over the emails you receive from Notion, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and stress-free experience. First, to get started, you'll want to open Notion and sign into your account. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing Notion through your web browser, the process is quite similar. Make sure you're connected to the internet and input your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be in your main workspace where all your Notion pages and projects are located. Next, let's navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find the Settings option in the left sidebar. This sidebar is a central hub providing access to all kinds of features and options in Notion. Once you've located Settings, go ahead and click on it. This will expand a menu filled with various settings options you can configure to suit your preferences. As you're browsing through, look for the section labeled Notifications. Clicking on Notifications will bring up all the options you have to manage the alerts and reminders you get from Notion. This section is crucial as it controls how and when Notion updates you about activity in your workspace. Now let's focus on the Email Notifications section. You'll need to scroll down a bit to find it. This section is specifically dedicated to managing what types of emails Notion sends to your account. It's here that you can decide if you want to receive digest emails, which aggregate recent activity highlights from your workspace. Once you've found the email notifications section, you should see an option labeled Workspace Digest. This is the setting you want to adjust. Turning this option off is simple. Just click on the toggle to switch it off. The toggle should change color or position, indicating that the digest emails have been disabled. And there you have it. By doing this, you've successfully turned off the digest emails from Notion, helping you manage your email notifications more effectively. Remember, if you ever decide you want to turn these digest emails back on, you can simply revisit the same steps and switch the toggle back on. By customizing your email notifications this way, you can enjoy a more streamlined inbox free from the extra clutter such emails might create. I hope this tutorial was helpful and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on using Notion.